Hello everyone, this is the video where I will show my glimpses of the pre-board preparations, and even I will tell you about my favorite games which I used to play in free time, and even I will tell you about the best practicing app for MCQ online. So watch till end because I will even show you my school tour. And our school is such a big school with full of greenery and blue color because it is located in an army area. As you can see, this is my examination hall preview. तो कैसे हो दोस्तों? How are you friends? I will make your day. Watch till the end. So I will tell my expect pre-board marks, and so that I have to wake up at 5 a.m. and motivated myself to cover up all the left chapters a day before my exam of science. Starting with the chemistry. In chemistry, the best thing is the chemical reaction and equation. And this chapter, you must know the reaction part. Reaction is very important, though it matters. It is combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, blah blah blah. There are so many, but you have to learn everything line by line, because who knows कहाँ से ये MCQ पूछे थे हमसे. So I gave my best. I went through my NCERT, then I went through some external books to help me. Then I done with the exercise question. So after that I started mastering the acids and base. In this series I have read all the reactions of acids, base with non-metals, metals and salt, formation of salt. There are a lot to study in this chapter. In this chapter there are a lot activity, and from that activity questions arise. In my pre-boards only one of the questions came from the activities. And please study about the pH because it's important. It's coming in the upper classes. This chapter, the last part, is the formation of baking soda, bleaching powder and POP, plaster of Paris, and all that is important. The last pages of the chapter is very important, and please do the exercise questions. After that I practice from the Oswald 360. Here I practiced a lot of questions, MCQ question, which is the only one online platform which used to practice and master all typologies of MCQs. In this app I have learned about the questions, and what I get here, live scores and detailed solution that I need to strengthen my discover new questions week with the weekly papers. And I used to get mind maps, revision notes and mnemonics that make revision faster on the go. It's very simple to get started. Just download the app from the Play Store or go to the oswald360.com. So after that, practicing from Oswald 360, I moved on the revision of life processes, which is chapter number 6 of class 10th of biology. Here a lot of processes are there: nutrition, transportation, excretion, and even more, respiration, and very much topics are included from here. It is a detailed chapter. From the activities questions also come. The best part is the stomata, opening and closing of stomata. And after that I read thoroughly about the chapter, more than 2 hours or 1.5 hours. So this is the place where I used to get happy because biology is my favorite. And after biology I went to the acids and base, again revise it because I was forgetting some concepts. And after that I will go to the physics parts and practice some questions. As you can see on the screen, I practice a lot from the physics so that I could make my base strong for the examination point of view. I am preferring Oswald 360 because Oswald books, Oswald 360 and Oswald is best. It will cost not more, but try once, go and take the free trial, and this helped me to score my marks. थोड़ा गलती हो जाता है बोलने में, but I am a student, everyone makes mistakes. So what's the main thing behind my preparation? The main thing is that I need to score the good and I need to score the highest. That's bring me the motivation. So this is my school, the blue in color, the largest and the most favorite school where I am studying from class 1 to 10th till now currently. So this school is very big, and after studying in 10 years I have experienced a lot of fact about this school. This school is best. I'm not promoting this school because I'm expressing my views. This is the classroom. You can see the classroom. This is the blackboard where I used to, and this is the assembly field which was on construction during the lockdown. So I will show you that this is the examination hall which I showed you, the assembly field. Here more than 200 students sat and gave their examination, and even I was from that too. And you can see me here. I have not shown you my face but a short clip. So do subscribe, because this was the offline exam, and my school is very big, where you can see greenery everywhere. This is the basketball court, and this is the field where you used to play, and I will show you the football ground. This is the big football ground, and this is the most favorite part where I used to come and play during my offline classes with my friends. This is the canteen, and you can see the canteen from the outside. So this is the cycle stand where I used to keep the cycle and all. The students didn't came that day, so it was like that. So say bye to my school. So do subscribe and hit the like button, and please do suggest the things which I need to edit in the video. Okay now. So thank you for watching the video.